three and a half years of posting YouTube content. And I want to change anything. I really enjoy making these videos, and I've been learning as I go, getting better and better and better when I'm filming certain projects. I hope you guys enjoy what I have been putting out, but I'm excited to say that there's gonna be another next chapter in this Fixed in 5 series, and that's gonna be catering to first-time home buyers that are just purchasing a house. Now let's back up a little bit. I've been in real estate for 10 years, and I've also been in the handyman business for over 3. Also have been in and out of construction for 20. So I've seen a lot and done a lot. And there's a lot of people that I've come across that just need that little helpful tip or nudge to give them the confidence to go and repair something easy inside their house. Now, it could be as simple as changing a light bulb or even changing a doorknob. I'm not talking about full bathroom renovations, but these are people that don't have an owner's manual when they do purchase a house. Now, purchasing a house is gonna be your biggest purchase of your entire life, and it could be the scariest moment that you have to go through. Not all homes are easy and 100% perfect. Every home has an issue. Now, Fixed in 5, I've done a lot of DIY repairs, projects that you could undertake yourself, and also handyman projects that I have done, and I just wanted to show you the completion. Doing this series, I hope to find somebody that is able to take this advice, run with it, and become more confident in home ownership. Now, if you guys have been here in the beginning, thank you so much. I really, really do appreciate you guys supporting my channel and watching anything that I have put out there. Again, it's been a little random, trying to find out where am I gonna be going in this digital world, but until I do know what really works, I'm just gonna keep throwing ideas out there and making videos that I think you guys would like to watch. One day, I hope that it does take off. Now, let's get ready and jump into this next series. You could follow it along here, and let's start learning your house together. My name is Robert. I am the owner of Fixed in 5. This is my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.